Since ships and transportation typically have local servers to run all electronic computer-controlled devices, a hybrid cloud solution would be ideal for handling the linkage of local servers with public servers when connectivity allows, so critical navigation systems can ensure 100% uptime and less critical synchronization of data can be completed when connectivity is restored. For businesses that have large manufacturing capabilities, a hybrid cloud would allow servers to afford automation and scanning capabilities locally, while allowing for disaster recovery options in the cloud and synchronization of multiple plants into central corporate control. Hybrid cloud infrastructure is ideally suited to support remote access for schools or state and local offices and field warriors, since the solution would allow students or employees to access their computers and applications, just like sitting at their home but from anywhere and from any machine with the same look and feel as home. They could connect in libraries, on the road, in cafes, or virtually anywhere and have full access like a high-powered PC at home. Contact us at khtechcloud.com and we will have one of our hybrid cloud specialists get back to you within 24 hours. Don't wait, take charge and get your own hybrid cloud in a box today.